welcome back to the Wax Slayer. My name's April. So today I have my Dessa's pre-order. You guys, I did some serious damage. I did go ahead and warm through a couple of my bars just because this is a new to me vendor and I wanted to be able to give you some feedback on my opinions on what I picked up. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll start off with the samples. And you guys, this is a generous sample. Okay, so she did include a little handwritten card. And it says, April, thank you so much. Happy melting. And see, she did also include her business card and some instructions. This is her business card, and I really do like that design. It's simple and elegant and really pretty. And then her little thank you with instructions on the back, which I super appreciate since I am new to her wax. And just briefly, it says her wax is ready to melt. You can do extra cure time, but it's not needed, so that is always good to know. And now for the samples. The first one is I'll Be Home for Christmas, and I really like her colors. Very vibrant. Okay, so I don't have the scent notes, but I can definitely tell there is some tree in this scent. Definitely like a holiday blend, so that will be nice for around Christmas time. Next up is called Fireflies, and I think I have heard some people talking about this scent, and it's a pretty little star shape. This one is harder for me to pinpoint what it is. It's almost like a clean blend, not laundry, but kind of like fresh air, maybe a little aquatic. Really nice. I think that will be perfect for my bathroom. And then finally, rounding out the samples is a Country Christmas. I'm going to guess that is a Christmas scent. And it's a cute little bunt shape. Yes. Very festive. I feel like I'm getting some orange and some spice. Maybe a little bit of cider. So that's really nice. Again, I'll warm that come Christmas time. And now for my goodies. I went ahead and I picked up, I believe she calls them her Breakaway bars. And I did get a few duplicates of scents that I thought I would really love. So I'm gonna just jump on in. First one up is Fresh Bread and Jam. And this is one that I actually have started warming already. So I picked up 3 Breakaway bars. And the scent notes are crusty French bread and strawberry jam. You guys, like I said, I've already melted this and it melts beautifully. So Dessa has the most amazing French bread oil I have ever smelled. It's crusty, it's yeasty, it's doughy on the inside, chewy. It's like I get all of those things when I smell this, and then that fresh strawberry jam. Oh, it's just sweetening everything up. Legit smells like I have a French bread with strawberry jam on it. So good. And it was a great performer. I am happy to report I melted this one in my bedroom. I love it. So if this is available again when she does her RTS coming up, I am going to buy a lot of them. I don't know if it's an RTS or a pre-order, but I know she's going to have another sale coming up. So I freaking love that one. I can see why that one is a favorite of everybody's. Okay, next up is strawberry zucchini streusel. And let me find them all. I did pick up 3 of these Breakaway bars. Have not warmed it yet. You guys, check out just how pretty her wax colors are. So vibrant and beautiful. I love it. Scent notes are strawberry pound cake, zucchini bread, sugar cookie, cinnamon streusel, crumble. Oh, you guys, it is so good. So you definitely get that strawberry pound cake. It's sweet, it's rich, it's decadent, it's everything I wanted it to be. And then her zucchini streusel, the zucchini bread just adds some extra creaminess to the scent, kind of gives it a little bit more bakery scent. The cinnamon streusel crumble, yes, it's like everything you would think it would be. It's like you are just having this crumble, buttery crumble on top, and it's like bubbling over, delicious. A little bit of the spice from the cinnamon, but not too much. It is perfect. Oh, I cannot wait to warm this one. And just based off of smelling it on cold, this is going to be a favorite of mine as well. So if this one is up again, I'm going to stock up like crazy on that one. I freaking love it. All right, next up, kind of along the same lines, and this is one that I actually have already started melting, is sugared zucchini streusel. And again, I picked up 3 of the Breakaway bars. Like I said, I have started melting it already. And this one, you guys, is so freaking good. So it's like this, but take away the strawberry pound cake. You get that creamy zucchini bread. It's rich, it's decadent, it's delicious, sweet, but not too sweet. And then that cinnamon streusel crumble topping. Again, buttery cinnamon, just like ooey gooey on top, bubbling over. Ah, I love this one. I melted this one in my office, and it was a great performer. And you guys, these are not like old pours. I don't have the scent or the dates on here, but she just poured these recently and they're already throwing amazing. I can only imagine what a little extra cure time would do, but honestly, I didn't need any extra cure time. Okay, next up is one I also got duplicates of, and this is glazed lemon bread. And if you know me, you know I have been on this like bread kick lately with my scents. So I picked up 3 Breakaway bars, and the scent notes are fresh, crusty bread, sweet lemon custard, and powdered sugar. And this is a house blend. Again, you guys, this gorgeous, vibrant yellow. Oh, this is so good. I do get that fresh, warm, crusty bread, and then like the sweet lemon custard filling on top. Oh, it is so good. I love this. Again, based on cold sniffs. This one is up again in the pre-order or RTS, whatever it is. I'm gonna stock up because this smells so dang good on cold. I love the balance of the sweet tart lemon and then that French bread, warm crusty French bread. So delicious. Okay, one that I picked up because Ashley Overly was raving about it is burnt sugar cake, and I picked up 2 Breakaway bars. And the scent notes are buttery cake batter, burnt sugar frosting. This is also a house blend. And I really, really like this. So you do get like that cake note, but it's different than like your birthday cake, let's say. This is like a little burnt around the edges, but in a good way, not in a bad way. More just like really well done. And then the frosting, it's like brown sugar frosting, which is lots of vanilla, but again, just a little sizzly on top. I don't know how else to describe it, but it is so dang good. I love this. It's almost like a little bit butterscotch caramelized, but it's not caramel. Oh, it's really good. Again, based on cold sniffs, I will buy some more if this one is available again. I am excited to warm that one, and it already smells about a medium on cold, so I am loving that. A holiday-ish one that I picked up is Mrs. Claus Cookies. I picked up 2 Breakaway bars. This is also a house blend, and the scent notes are the magical scent of Mrs. Claus freshly baked butter cookies, topped with vanilla frosting and a cold glass of sweet milk. I also love sweet milk scents, which I have come to find out. This is really, really good. So I am getting like the rich, warm, sweet, decadent sugar cookies with some butteriness to it. And then that cold glass of sweet milk, it's there, but it is not a sour note. It is just kind of adding some extra creaminess to the scent. And I really like it. So this is one I am so glad I picked up 2 Breakaway bars. Cannot wait to warm that one. I think I'm probably going to dig into a lot of these scents in the next few weeks. Next up is chestnuts roasting on an open fire. And I picked up 2 Breakaway bars. Summer might have been the one that was talking about this one. This scent is right up my alley. The scent notes are chestnuts, brown sugar, sugar cookies, and marshmallow fireside. I love chestnuts. I love marshmallow fireside. This is really, really good. To me, it is definitely like a sweet, nutty scent. And that marshmallow fireside is just adding some extra depth and creaminess, maybe a little bit of smokiness, but not too much. And the brown sugar, again, adding sweetness to the scent. Oh, so good. Sugar cookies, yes, because it's a little bit of bakery. So like nutty, sweet bakery with a little bit of that marshmallow fireside. I really like this one. I'm glad I picked up 2 Breakaway bars. And I think it's gonna be perfect for this time of year. A single that I picked up is Nana's Apple Butter Caramel Pie. See, this is also a house blend. And the scent notes are caramelized apples, heavy cream, sugar, toffee, pudding, vanilla, and flaky pie crust. So that's a lot going on in this blend. Man, but it is so good. So for me, it's like I'm getting like caramel apples, like a green apple with caramel on the outside of it. And I do think I am picking up that flaky pie crust. Toffee butter pudding, I'd say yes, because again, it's like that caramel note and it's just so good. It's like rich, smooth and creamy, delicious. I love this one. I think this is similar to a lot of people's circus concession. I really like this one, so I'm excited to give that one a warm. Okay, next up, this is one I was really, really excited about. This is roasted honey, butter, and bread. And again, I have started warming this one so I could let you guys know what I think. And the scent notes are a dollop of whipped honey buttercream atop a thick slice of fresh baked bread, and it says it is a house blend. And you guys, smells really good on cold, but when you warm it, it just seriously blooms, comes to life. You get that fresh baked bread, and then it's like a big dollop smear of sweetened honey, cinnamon, sugar, butter. It is so good, and it's like on top of that warm, fresh, like French bread. Oh, it was delicious. It was decadent. It was rich. I seriously wanted to have some bread with honey butter after smelling this one. So great performer. That is one, if it comes back again in the next RTS / pre-order, your girl's gonna stock up on it. A single that I picked up is Almond Cream Baguette. And again, this is one that Ashley overly recommended to me. And the scent notes are almond cream, crusty baguette, and powdered sugar. And this is also a house blend. I really, really like this one. I think what I love most is that this is not like a cherry note in the almond. To me, it's like fresh roasted almonds. And then you have the creaminess from the almond cream, the crusty baguette, absolutely there. And then the powdered sugar just adds some extra sweetness to the scent. This is really good. I like this a lot. This is one that I think I'm going to have to pick up another one or two if it's available again. Highly recommend if you like those sweet, nutty, bready kinds of scents. Another single that I picked up is Banana Harvest Bread, and this is also a house blend. This one has a lot of scent notes, you guys. Scent notes are, we have paired fresh baked banana nut bread with bushels of juicy ripe apples picked straight from the orchard. So I guess it's not a lot of scent notes, it's just a lot of words. I really like this one, you guys. This one's unique. So what I love is that banana nut bread is not Laffy Taffy. It is not runce smelling at all. It's like legit fresh baked banana bread. And then those ripe, juicy apples just add an extra burst of honestly like freshness, like juicy freshness to the scent. And it's blended together really well. I really like this one. And whatever apple oil she uses in this blend, I love. So beautiful, gorgeous, vibrant red color. And it smells really good, and it already smells fairly strong. So I cannot wait to warm that one. And might have to do that later this week. And just a few more in here. Nutcracker Sweet. This is one that I'm kind of iffy with gingerbread notes or gingerbread scents in general, but this one was mixed in with some things, so I was like, okay, I'm gonna give this one a try. Also a house blend, and the scent notes are gingerbread, sweet cookies, cinnamon rolls, and honey sweet cake. So with all those extra sweetness in it, I thought it might tame down the spiciness of the gingerbread in case it's really spicy. You guys, it is perfect. It is not too spicy, just the right amount of spice. Oh, it's so good. Definitely a bakery scent. I am getting like the honey sweet cakes. I am getting the sugar cookies. The cinnamon roll with the gingerbread is adding, you know, a little bit of spice to it, but it's blended together so nicely. And all of those other sweet scents just really marry together really well. And I love this one. So cannot wait to give that one a warm. I'm thinking I might wait until, Thanksgiving time to warm that one. I think that will be really good then. And finally, apple crumble. Scent notes are baked apples, cinnamon sugar, nutmeg, buttery crumble, and whipped cream. And this is not a house blend. And this is really good. I am getting the baked apples, I think, in the forefront. That's the strongest scent note. They are definitely like baked apples. Cinnamon, sugar, nutmeg, buttery crumble, and whipped cream. Don't know if I'm getting the whipped cream, but I am getting the cinnamon sugar. I am getting the nutmeg and the buttery crumble. I would say yes. Because it's not just apples. It's like you have the baked apples and you have like this streusel-y kind of bubbling over topping on it, kind of little crunchiness. Really good. So I am excited to warm that one. So you guys, that's it. That is what I picked up. And again, this is my very first experience with Dessa's. So I kind of went in pretty hard, I think, considering I hadn't warmed anything or smelled anything before. So thank you so much for watching. And leave a comment below if you have picked up any of these scents. And what is your favorite scent? And what do I need to try from Dessa's in her upcoming sale that she's going to have that she has listed like on some of the favorites. What's like kind of in the lead that I need to try. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.